Zelda. Yeah, quite active. Oh, camera interesting? No, not really. All right. No, mommy, not your problem. Man, she's smart. You know, high ground. I kick ass after. High ground, high ground. No, I jump on it when it comes. Mm. Look for it. Look for it. Look for it. Get it. Get it. Come on, girl. You can get it. It's tickling you, eh? It's tickling you. Ah, it's bothering you. Ah, kick its ass. Let's go. Kick it. Oof. Man, she's quick. Hey, zit dan, pardon. Oop, dink. Would you stop bothering me? Oh. She's good. She's gonna be a good hunter. But she's so calm. Like, she does not meow or anything.